Hello YouTube, it's your boy Ozzy Galaxy. Say hi to my viewers. There you go, good boy. Right guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you guys my small little poultry setup. Thank you so much, boy, I love you too. It was actually a storeroom. So the landlord was putting a lot of junk in here, you know. So I managed to clear it out. Let me just show you. Look at the amount of rubble I managed to get out. So the intention is to use this storeroom as a poultry house for layers. So it has a door. The door can be closed and has a window as well. So these are the only two openings into the storeroom. I'm a bit worried about ventilation, that I might need to open another hole somewhere, but nevertheless, let me show you guys inside. So this storeroom is from there to there is around 3.5 meters, and then the length is it's around 4.5, so it's 3.5 meters by 4.5 meters. So I plan to put the cage right here, a cage with a capacity of 48 layers should be fine. And if things go well, at around 6 months I should start breaking even. So anyway, this is the space that I managed to create. So the corrugated iron here is for when the droplets, when the waste comes from the chicken, from the hen, it should fall on the corrugated iron, and then I should be able to easily sweep it to the side and collect, and then also clean it to avoid infections. So I'm not sure exactly the width of the cage setup, but I think I might need another corrugated iron here, just in case. So anyway, this is the space, and this is some of my useful stuff for the bike: aluminium rims and some toolbox and some other equipments which I use now and then. So I thought to put them on the side like this. So anyway, in the next video guys, I'm going to show you the cage as I purchase it from the supplier. I'm also going to then talk to you guys about the cost of the cage, and perhaps do a video of myself putting it together and then fitting it into the space here. So do stay tuned guys. I love you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and switch on the bell icon for my next upload. Right.